Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a simple calculator using Java NetBeans. Are you bored? Or you just clicked this video because of the awesome thumbnail? Or your professor told you to do a Java program last week but you just forgot about it and tomorrow's the due date? Well, sit back and relax because that's the exact thing that I'm going to show you today. But first, a word from our sponsors.
Sponsor, Glasswire. With Glasswire, you can monitor the apps on your PC.
Okay, now on your computer, open your Apache NetBeans, or if you don't have Apache NetBeans, just search on Google NetBeans and just find the nearest link and open it and download it. It's gonna pop up the latest NetBeans or whatever. Okay, once you've opened it, this is just an overview. I'm just gonna show you what we're gonna expect at the end of this video. And this is what I've made beforehand, so let's just test it out. Times 12 equals 144. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay, so that works, but I'm gonna guide you first. So first, click Files, and then click New Project. And then you're gonna be shown this window here, Java with Ant. So you're just gonna pick that, and then you're gonna pick Java Applications, and then click Next. And don't create a main class, because we're gonna create another class with its own new. Okay, so firstly, click File, and then click New Project. And then you're going to be shown with this window. So click Java with Ant and then Java Applications. And then you're going to create your project name, Java Project. Then click Finish. Just wait for it to finish. And then on Java Project, right click it, then New, and then click JFrame Form. Then name that JFrame form to simple calcu, and it's our Java project on the Java project, and then click Finish. Now you're here on your canvas or your working area. So this is the rectangle you're going to be start with. Then just resize it to whatever size you want, but if you're modeling it after a real calculator, so just this one, you can see it's a rectangle. So I'm just gonna maybe put here, and this beside here are the buttons that you're gonna put it on. So first we're gonna put a text field, and that's the text field or the screen that you see on a normal simple calculator. This one is scientific, so just drag it. That's the magic on NetBeans. All of it is automatic, not like Eclipse or other Java environments that we've used before. Okay, first you're gonna customize this. Then right click the text field, properties, and then it's gonna show this fonts. Just follow what I'm doing for now. So I'm gonna put it Toma 18, and then when you see a calculator, you're not gonna see the text left side of it, so I'm gonna change the alignment, horizontal alignment here. Click leading and then click right. Then this still shows JText field 1, so we're just gonna clear the text it's showing, so close it. Okay, now onto the buttons. Okay, you're just gonna drag your mouse here and then click the button, drag it over here, and then resize that button to whatever size you want. Okay, Now right click it again to customize it. And then font to Homa again. Bold, and then just make it a little bit small because it's the buttons. And then here, just name it whatever you want. Just for now, because we're just gonna change it later. Okay, close. So as you see, this is your first ever button right here. Okay, just click it, and then Control C to copy it, and then Control V to paste it. Now you just copy your button, all of its contents, and then just do it all over again. So I'm not gonna bore you with the this. Just gonna fast forward the video. Okay, there. You laid out your buttons one by one. Now we're gonna change whatever these buttons are, like on a calculator, just like what I've done here. So I'm just gonna show you one per log. Just put in the text and log. And it's over and over, bit by bit. You're gonna change them. So again, I'm just not gonna bore you with whatever this is, what on the name changing. I'm just gonna fast forward again. Okay, there. That's the end. It's last button, configured, customized, whatever. Okay, next is the source. Now this is the source code. This is the design. This is the source code. And as you can see, there's a lot of things that we are about to configure. So just one misstep here is gonna ruin all the programs. So make sure that you don't misclick or mistype anything. Okay, now here comes the tricky part. So here, way up here and below here, you're gonna declare the doubles. Num1 for first number, num2 for the second number, and the results. Because now the string or operation. Because now we're gonna input all of these buttons right here. Okay, go back to the source code. Now that's done. Don't confuse or don't misplace it, because anywhere else on the code it's not gonna work. If you put it anywhere else on the code, it's not gonna work. Okay, now that we're here, again, double click the button, and just this sometimes happens, but just search for that cursor, blinking cursor there, and that's where you wanna change the code. So num1 for number 1, so num1 for number 1, and then double, parse double, and then change text field 1 that's set text. Okay, don't forget the semicolon. Okay, something's wrong. Oh, excuse me, it's supposed to be get text. Yeah, I'm gonna get the text on there. Now we're gonna change text field 1 and set text. Now here I'm gonna set the text to nothing. Okay, then operation equals plus. There. Don't forget semicolon. Okay, there. So that there is our plus button. So again, just copy paste, double click, and put it there. Okay, also for the equals. Excuse me, no, not for the equal. Okay, so copy, double click on the cursor, change it to minus. click, double click, change it to multiplication. Click, double click, change it to division. Okay, now that's done. Now we're gonna put the function on our equals button. So double click it. So double click it. And here I'm gonna put num2. And then double parse double j text field one that get text. Excuse me. And then enter. Now we're gonna make a choice here. So when you click the button, equals is if operation is equals to plus, then result equals to num1 plus num2, and then j text field one set text, open and close parentheses, double 2 string the result, open and close parentheses again, result. Okay, so that's for the plus. So else if you're gonna do it again, operation is equals to minus, and then just copy and paste this. Okay, and then change it to minus. Okay, so just repeat this 2 more times. We have 4 operations, remember? Okay, do that 1 more time. Yeah, change it to print multiplication, then change, change this minus this to multiplication, and the last one for division. There. Now all of our buttons, all of these operations now have their functions. Okay, let's test it out. Okay, here. So 12 plus 12 equals 24. Okay, that's a good job. That's a good job, guys. You're following this far. Okay, so it doesn't have a clear backspace, sine, cosine, log. No, but now we're gonna go into that. So logarithmic, cosine, and sine. Okay, now we're moving on to the math functions. Now double click this, and then just like the other codes here, then we're gonna put, just follow my code. So double equals to t equals math. Now this here is the math function of Java, because Java has its own automatic math functions. So Java, so it's the button for logarithmic. So that log, and then open and close double dot parse double open and close j text field one that get text. Okay, now that, okay, now that's done. It's the first. Oh, what's happening? Oh, I see. I put an extra equals here. Do not put that there. Okay, now j text field one set text, and then that there, there, and J text field 1, that's text. Now J text field 1, get text there, and then plus, and then the T. Okay, so this here is for the logarithmic function, math function. And now we're just gonna copy and paste it with these cosine. I'm gonna copy and paste this and this, and just change this one for the cosine, and then the sine. So put sine there. Okay, now that's done. Let's test it out. Run your program, wait for it to load, and this 12 log is 2.48 there. But we still don't have for clear everything in clear. Okay, that's what we're gonna do next. Okay, first let's code clear, the backspace rather. So clear this out, then type string backspace equals to null. Okay, now type if J text field 1, J text field 1, get text to length, get text, open and close parentheses, then length here is more than 0. Oh, sorry. Open and close parentheses. This should be the condition. Now put open and close curly braces. So just put string builder s equals new string builder. Now open and close J text field 1 that get text, then semicolon. Oh, excuse me, just no there. Okay, it's fine. Okay, now type backspace s, equals s dot to string colon, then J text field dot set text, then backspace there. Now this will just delete 1 digit on your calculator. Let's test it out. Okay, here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and when you click clear, okay. Okay, sorry guys, I forgot that you should put here this code right here. So s.delete char, delete character at J text field that get text, then -1. So it's just gonna delete 1 digit on the calculator. Let's test it out again. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then when you click clear, it's just gonna delete 1. Okay, still have this. Okay, now we're gonna go to that. So in my nature of just saving the easiest for last, this is the most easiest code ever. So just set text dot j text field, let's get text then put it there. Oh, sorry. I meant to put this here. There. JText field that set text equals to nothing. It's gonna clear everything on the screen. So let's test it out. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then click clear everything. It's clear. So 1, 2 plus 1, 2 equals 24. Then click clear everything. Clears it. So there you have it, folks. Then click sign and then clear everything. Then 12, 1, clear everything. Oh, so before I forgot, in the essence of being this your own code, let's put our signatures on it. Design, then click generate center. It's supposed to be clicked off, generate center, so that when you run the program, run the app, it's gonna appear on the center of the screen. And then on properties, let's put a title on it. Simple calculator. There. Close it. So when you run it, it goes into the center and then shows you the simple calculator right here. And that's it. That's the whole thing. That's the whole video for today. You've just made a simple calculator that quick. Okay, that is it, guys. That is it for this video for today. Now, the only thing to do is just show this to your professor and bask in the glory of having to show off your skills in programming, Java programming to be exact, using NetBeans. And I won't ask for much, just a simple like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And that is it, guys. Catch you on the next Java programming. Don't forget, Jello codes.